What up, EK? What's going on? Big blizzard. Yeah. We got a good crew here today. We got Leslie. We got DJ EK. We got Heli Mike. It's gonna be a good time if we can make it up there. Here we go. Heli Mike is up there, first chair. It's a scramble. Somebody lost their poles. Oh, chair number one, numero uno. We are the best, even though we're not first chair, we got chair number one. Holy, Loveland, 30-year veteran, Loveland.
Guys. Happy to see the pal back.
Yeah, totally. Yep,
Happy winter.
on the live. It's winter today, big times.
Happy winter.
Happy winter.
Have a good one, fellas.
You too.
Have fun, guys.
Yep, have a good one. Blizzard Mania. Here's EK.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep.